Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the Q value of a nuclear reactions. First, consider a nuclear reaction. It is represented by the equation x plus a tends to y plus b. Let capital Mx, capital My, small ma and small mb be the rest masses of the target nucleus, product nucleus and incident particle and also emitted particle of the nucleus. Let Ea, Ey and Eb be the kinetic energies of the incident particle, product nucleus, nuclide and ejected particle. Here first consider the rest mass of the target nucleus is 0, that is Ex equals 0. According to mass energy conservation, mx c square plus ma c square plus ea equals my c square plus mb c square plus ey plus eb. Here Q value of a nuclear reaction is the energy balance of a reaction, that is endothermic reaction and exothermic reactions. It is the difference between the kinetic energies of the products and reactants of a nuclear reactions. And it is also the difference between the rest mass energies of reactants and product nucleus of nuclear reactions. That is Q equals Ey plus Eb minus Ea. In the elastic scattering, there is no any change in energy and momentum, that is Q equals 0. Here there are two conditions. One is exorgic and endorgic reactions. Suppose first case, if Q is positive, then energy released in a reaction. Exorgic means energy released during nuclear reactions. That is first case. Ey plus Eb greater than E. Mx plus My greater than My plus Mb. Second case is if Q is negative, energy must be supplied to bring the nuclear reactions, that is endorgic reactions, that is Ey plus Eb less than E. Mx plus My it is less than Mx plus Mb. See, this is Q value of a nuclear reactions. In this case, only two conditions. One is exorgic reactions. In this case, energy released during nuclear reactions. And second case is endorgic reactions. From this case, energy must be supplied to bring the nuclear reactions. That is endorgic reactions.